Welcome to MSM Malaysia Holdings Berhad, a market leader in sugar production in Malaysia and one of the top 5 refined sugar producers in Asia. As part of the FGV Group, a globally integrated, diversified agri-commodities company, MSM Holdings is involved in the production, marketing and sale of sugar with a refining capacity of 1.25 million metric tons as of 2014. Its 2 key sugar refineries, MSM Prai, opened by the first Prime Minister of Malaysia in 1964, and the KGFP refinery in Chuping, provide this refining capability, which has over the years evolved to include highly automated production lines coupled with an expansive and efficient nationwide distribution network. Sugar products are distributed across Malaysia via road and rail, while the in-house logistics subsidiary Astakonas operates a fleet of trucks catering specially to major industrial customers. In January 2010, both MSM and KGFP under the PPB Group were acquired by Felda Global Ventures Holdings Berhad or FGV. This subsequently led to the incorporation of MSM Malaysia Holdings Berhad on 10th March 2011, continuing a sugar heritage dating back to the formation of the Malayan Sugar Manufacturing Company Limited. The company was listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia on 28th June 2011 with 234.56 million shares being issued, with a par value of RM3.38 per share. At the heart of the group's business activities are the sugar refining operations undertaken by the MSM and KGFP refineries in Prai and Chuping in Peninsular Malaysia. Both factories utilize modern equipment with automatic process control incorporating the most up-to-date technology. These facilities convert raw sugar into the final refined sugar product through a series of operational steps which characterize the refining process. The refining process begins with affination or washing. Raw sugar crystals carry a coating of low purity syrup on their surface that needs to be expelled. Raw syrup is first thoroughly mixed with the raw sugar crystals to aid in softening this coating. This mixture of crystal and syrup is called magma. The magma then enters a centrifugal machine with a perforated basket. A spray of hot water is introduced to aid the separation and purging of the low purity syrup from the now washed raw sugar crystals. The washed sugar crystals are next melted so that impurities and coloring material contained within the raw sugar crystal can be treated. Live steam is used to effect the melting, producing raw liquor. During the carbonation stage which follows, calcium hydroxide or lime is added to the raw liquor and carbon dioxide gas is subsequently bubbled through this mixture. The lime and gas react to form a calcium carbonate precipitate which traps and eliminates much of the impurities from the sugar liquor. Automatic cloth filters with an aperture size down to 1 micron then separate out the precipitate as mud cake from the carbonated liquor. The resulting clarified liquor is now passed through a bed of ion exchange resin or IER, where porous resin beads absorb any remaining coloring material from the liquor. The decolored liquor then undergoes final filtration in the polishing filters to ensure that there is no inadvertent carryover of any foreign material to the crystallization process. Evaporators are used in the Prai refinery to increase the concentration of fine liquor prior to the vacuum pan boiling process. These save energy and increase the pan's capacity by reducing boiling time. Specific recipes are used to produce different grades of sugar in the vacuum pans. As seed crystals are fed into the pans and fine liquor obtained from melting is added, heat is applied to this mixture called massicute via steam calandria. The crystals immersed in the liquor grow to their final size as they absorb the sucrose material from the concentrated liquor. When the sugar crystals have grown to their final product size, they are discharged from the pan into a holding vessel. At this stage, centrifugal separation is applied to separate the product sugar crystals from the attendant syrup. The refined sugar crystals are then dried and cooled before sieving according to different grades and stored. A fully automated packing line ensures hygienically sealed packaging conforming to international standards. All products undergo stringent quality and food safety control with the aim of providing only the best to customers. Every batch is tested for color, polarization value, pH, crystal size, sediments and other parameters as required by the applicable standard. With a strong and constant emphasis on delivering high-quality products, the MSM refineries have gained recognition through various certifications that include, amongst others, the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, HACCP or Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, and FSSC 22000, both of which relate to food safety, Cereal Product Certification, Halal as well as kosher. MSM offers a wide range of sugar products to cater to the consumer and industrial market segments. These products include fine-grained sugar, which is found in the PXX and P1S grades, coarse-grained sugar or P1, castor, superfine or PF, icing, and the soft brown grades comprising PB and P4. MSM's high-quality products are readily available throughout Peninsular Malaysia through an efficient and comprehensive distribution network via road, rail and sea links. The main refineries cover the northern region, while the Sungai Buloh and Johor Bahru warehouses in Selangor and Johor cater to the central and southern regions respectively. In addition, an appointed warehouse supports markets in East Malaysia. With a growing demand for MSM products abroad as well, ready and convenient access to the country's main ports enable these products to be exported to countries in the region like Singapore, South Korea, Hong Kong, China, New Zealand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Pakistan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Australia and the Pacific Islands. People are a key asset in MSM's operations. A highly efficient and dedicated workforce of about 900 employees led by a dynamic management team ensure a high-quality range of sugar products that are well known domestically as well as internationally. MSM's management continues in its tireless efforts through mergers and acquisitions as well as strategic initiatives that include the signing of an MOU to expand annual capacity to 4 million metric tons to propel the company to be among the top 3 global sugar manufacturers by the year 2020.